In today's video, we'll talk about using the cable row machine and the V-bar grip in order to exercise the lats. One of the functions of the lats is to retract the scapula, it's to squeeze the shoulder blades. And we'll make this most explicit in this exercise by starting the motion with our shoulders, by squeezing the shoulders, and then driving the elbows back and squeezing at peak contraction. We'll begin with a stretch so we can warm up the muscle and bring our attention to the muscles to strengthen mind-body connection. And with that said, let's get started.
Let's get right to it.
Let's get right to it.